What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with SpecTechular Gadgets, and in this video, I'll be taking a look at a case from Tudia for the Nintendo Switch 2. First off, shout out to Tudia for sending this over for me to test out on the channel. I truly do appreciate it. Let's do this!
SpecTechular Gadgets.
This is the Tudia Snap-On Case for the Nintendo Switch 2. As you see, it does give us access to the kickstand, so there's no issues there. It's supposed to be dockable, so we'll go ahead and test that out. This case comes in two colors. There is black, and then you also have the red and blue Joy-Con combination. Another cool thing is at the time of purchase, you can select if you want a clear back cover or a black back cover. At the time of this recording, the price of this was ranging from $16 to $19, depending upon the color combination. We'll take a quick look around the box, and then we'll go ahead and jump right into it. I have the black on black color option. Picking up the Joy-Con grips for the first time. This is a TPU material. It's very light. Turning it over on the back, you'll notice that the grips are textured. I'll bring it a little closer so you can see. That's going to be helpful, as well as the size of the grips. For handheld mode, you'll have something more comfortable to hold on to. Next up, we have the back cover. Remember, you can get this in black or clear, and this is made out of polycarbonate material. The back cover can be easily snapped on, but it doesn't add a lot of bulk. It's pretty thin, and that's all you really want to be able to still dock your Switch to. You can see it's pretty flexible, and this is just going to prevent scratches and help with if you do happen to drop your Switch. All right, so I have my Switch 2 in hand, and I think the best way to go about installing this is removing the Joy-Cons first. Then make sure you have the back cover in the correct position. The Tudia logo should be on top, and the kickstand cutout is obviously on the bottom. Installation of the back case is a breeze because you're literally just snapping it in. The cutouts and everything should line up. We'll go ahead and take a look at that. As you see, that's the top of the device. I can use my kickstand with no issues at all. Here at the bottom of the case, Type-C port and the speaker grills seem to be just fine. They line up. Here's another look at the top of the case again. You can see all the cutouts, but one important thing is the game slot door. So I can remove my game card with no issues. The cutout seems to match up just fine. It's time to show the Joy-Con some love by installing the grip onto them. And as you see, I kind of just slid the Joy-Con in almost like a sock. Just be sure to kind of be gentle with the analog stick. But other than that, you're literally just sliding each Joy-Con into the appropriate grip. And there you go. The Joy-Cons are looking great. The top part of the grip is smooth. The back part is grippy. The ergonomic grip is just going to allow for that very comfortable portable handheld play mode. When I attach the Joy-Cons with the grips on, you'll notice there's no issues there. They attached as if they did not have the grips on. Everything is lined up and smooth. This, my friend, is an ergonomic, form-fitting, protective case that, again, it's not going to add bulk. I'm going to show you once I remove the Joy-Cons how thin the back cover is. So this is showing you there's not much bulk, but it's going to help you from scratches. It's going to help somewhat with drops. And this is a really lightweight case. I have total and full access to my kickstand. So if I want to play tabletop and not connected to the TV, I can do that with ease. With the grips installed on the Joy-Cons, I noticed that the plus, the minus, the chat button, the screenshot button, and the home button are slightly recessed. You can see it, you can feel it, but it doesn't actually get in the way of you being able to press those buttons. I'm pressing the power button on the top, and as you see, that turns on. The volume up and down keys on the actual back cover case, they work fine. My A button works fine, but I just wanted to mention that. If you have it undocked and you just want to give it a quick charge, as you see the Type-C port, I'm going ahead and plugging in a charger and it fits in perfectly. Side note, I absolutely love this game. This game is so much fun. It's hilarious.
SpecTechular Gadgets.
So what is it like to actually remove the case from the device? As you saw, installing was easy peasy. Now removing parts of the case, I found it to be I needed a little more effort. So what I'm doing here is removing the Joy-Con grip from the Joy-Con itself. And I want to make sure that I'm being careful with removing the Joy-Con from the grip case. So I don't want to mess up the thumbstick or anything like that. But at the same time, I want to be certain that I'm not stretching out the grip case because I want it to be able to still have that snug fit. It'd be a good time to show you what the clear back looks like on the Nintendo Switch 2. So remember, when you're ordering, you can do a black back cover or you can do a clear back cover. So placing it on again, very easy. It's a snap-on case. And if you decided to not go with the black color option and get the red and blue color option with the clear cover, then this is what it's going to look like. It's the same installation process with the Joy-Cons. And just make sure that you're not overstretching the grip part of the case because you want to maintain that snug fit. Now tell me down below in the comments, what color option would you choose? This is the SiWay-Q alternative docking station for the Nintendo Switch 2. I did a video on that, so go ahead and check it out. I use this dock up in my office daily, and I have the official Nintendo one down in the basement. I want to tell you that unfortunately you're going to have to remove the back cover of this case in order for the Type-C charger and the device to completely be engaged. And this is not going to be an issue for all, just the people that purchase and use the SiWay-Q dock. It's as simple as just removing that back cover. For the people who will be playing TV mode using the official dock, let me show you what that looks like for you. As advertised, it's dockable. I wanted to also demonstrate if you have an alternative pair of Joy-Cons like these that I have. These are the Nixie Hyperion 3 wireless Joy-Con, and I want to show you that with this thin case, this is not going to get in the way of you switching out those Joy-Cons. As you see, fits right on, and I don't have to take the back cover off or anything. And there you go. Once again, I want to say thank you to Tudia for sending these cases out for me to try out on the channel. I think my Switch looks great already. Again, down below in the comments, which color option are you going to go for? As for me, I'm definitely rolling with this one. The blue and red with the clear back is a clear winner for me. Everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.